We had a terrible winter this year. It was cold, and I lost plants in my garden, and you lost plants in your garden, and you're looking all over the place for your old-fashioned butterfly bush, but you can't find it. The reason you can't find it is because it's on the invasive plant list. In drier parts of the Fraser Valley, like West Vancouver, it's self-seeding and taking over from native plants like Holodiscus or ocean spray. So no one's producing it anymore, but we have a great solution for you. So let me introduce you to the next generation of sterile compact Buddleias, starting with Blue Chip Jr., 18 inches to 2 feet. Hogster Blue is going to be 2 by 2 feet, but have very large 6-inch flowers with large foliage. Buzz Midnight, 3 to 4 feet, beautiful deep purple flowers. Miss Ruby not only smells great, but she only grows 5 to 6 feet tall. She's drought tolerant, and the butterflies and bees love her. Butterfly bushes have a long season of bloom, so if you want to keep them looking pristine during the flowering season, you want to deadhead these spent flowers. Just by going down to the next node, snip, and then everything's nice and clean all over again. So remember, Buddleia blooms on new wood, so you do not want to prune it in the fall. You want to wait till spring when the forsythia is blooming, and then you want to do a hard prune way down. That way you're going to get strong wood and a lot of great flowers.